Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best running shoes that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Are your running shoes slowing you down instead of helping you perform your best? Many runners struggle with heavy shoes, poor energy return, and discomfort during long runs. If you're chasing faster race times or simply want a shoe that feels incredibly light and responsive, choosing the right running shoe can make a huge difference. Meet the Adidas men's Adizero Adios Pro 4 in silver metallic, lucid red, and gray, a high-performance racing shoe designed for speed and efficiency. This shoe features a lightweight polyester upper that improves breathability and keeps your feet comfortable during intense runs. The rubber outsole delivers excellent traction and durability on different running surfaces. Its lace-up closure ensures a secure, adjustable fit for better stability while running. The design is optimized for competitive runners, offering a lightweight feel that helps improve speed and performance. It also comes with a water-resistant build, which provides extra protection from light moisture during outdoor runs. Plus, the bold silver, lucid red, and gray color combination gives it a modern racing look. Pros: extremely lightweight, stylish design, strong grip from the rubber sole, and great for high-speed running. Cons: premium performance shoes may feel less cushioned for casual walking, and sizing can feel slightly snug for some users. The Adizero Adios Pro 4 is perfect for serious runners, marathon racers, and athletes who want a fast, lightweight shoe designed for performance and speed. At around $100, this shoe offers excellent value for runners who want professional-level speed and performance without paying the typical premium racing shoe price. Number 2. Introducing the Adidas men's Adizero Evo SL woven running shoes, a lightweight performance running shoe designed for speed, comfort, and modern athletic style. These running shoes feature a woven upper construction that provides flexibility and breathability, helping keep your feet comfortable during intense workouts or long runs. The rubber outsole offers reliable traction and durability, giving you better grip on roads and training surfaces. With its pull-on design, the shoe allows quick and easy wear while maintaining a snug and secure fit around the foot. The lightweight structure helps reduce foot fatigue, making it ideal for runners who want faster movement and better performance. The sleek Adidas design also adds a modern athletic look, making it suitable for both running sessions and casual sporty wear. Pros: lightweight design, breathable woven material, strong rubber grip, and easy pull-on convenience. Cons: pull-on style may feel less adjustable than traditional laces, and the minimal structure may not provide enough support for runners who prefer highly cushioned shoes. These shoes are best for runners, fitness enthusiasts, and athletes who want a lightweight and flexible running shoe for training, jogging, or everyday sporty use. Priced at $149.95, the Adizero Evo SL offers solid value for runners looking for a stylish, lightweight Adidas performance shoe built for speed and comfort. Man running. Number 3. Introducing the Mizuno Neo Vista 2 men's running shoes, a premium performance running shoe designed to deliver speed, comfort, and responsive energy return for serious runners. The Neo Vista 2 features a lightweight nylon upper that improves breathability while keeping the shoe flexible and comfortable during long runs. Its rubber outsole provides strong traction and durability, helping runners maintain grip on roads and training surfaces. The lace-up closure system ensures a secure and adjustable fit, giving runners better stability and control with every stride. This model is designed to support efficient running with a lightweight structure that reduces fatigue during long-distance training. The sleek performance-focused design also reflects Mizuno's reputation for combining innovation with durability, making it a reliable choice for serious athletes. Pros: lightweight feel, breathable nylon material, strong rubber grip, and secure lace-up fit for better running stability. Cons: premium price point compared to many training shoes, and runners looking for extremely soft cushioning may prefer more cushioned models. The Mizuno Neo Vista 2 is best for serious runners, marathon trainers, and athletes who want a high-performance running shoe built for speed, comfort, and long-distance performance. Priced at $200, the Mizuno Neo Vista 2 sits in the premium running shoe category. While it's an investment, it offers strong value for dedicated runners who want advanced performance, durability, and reliable comfort during training and races. Number 4. Introducing the ASICS SUPERBLAST 2 Unisex Running Shoes, a high-performance running shoe built for speed, comfort, and maximum energy return during training and long-distance runs. The SUPERBLAST 2 features a durable polyurethane (PU) upper that offers structure while remaining flexible and comfortable during movement. Inside, the polyester lining helps keep your feet breathable and comfortable even during long training sessions. The rubber outsole provides dependable traction and durability, helping runners stay stable on roads and different running surfaces. This shoe is designed with a lightweight performance structure that promotes faster movement and improved running efficiency. The sleek and modern ASICS design also makes it suitable for both intense running sessions and everyday athletic wear. Pros: lightweight feel, durable PU upper, breathable inner lining, and strong traction from the rubber outsole. Cons: the firm performance-focused build may feel less cushioned for casual walking, and some runners may find the fit slightly snug depending on foot shape. The ASICS SUPERBLAST 2 is best for serious runners, marathon trainers, and athletes who want a fast, lightweight shoe designed for performance and long-distance running. Priced at $149.95, the SUPERBLAST 2 offers solid value for runners looking for a premium-level running shoe that combines durability, speed, and comfort for demanding training sessions. Number 5. Introducing the New Balance Women's FuelCell Rebel V4 running shoes, a lightweight performance shoe built for speed, comfort, and responsive energy return during everyday training. The FuelCell Rebel V4 features a 100% synthetic upper that keeps the shoe lightweight while providing flexibility and breathability for long runs or workouts. Its rubber outsole delivers reliable traction and durability, helping runners stay stable on roads and gym surfaces. The FuelCell midsole design is built to provide a responsive feel that helps push you forward with every stride. The shoe's lightweight construction helps reduce fatigue, making it ideal for faster training sessions and daily running. Plus, the sleek and sporty New Balance design combines performance with modern style, making it suitable for both athletic use and casual sporty wear. Pros: very lightweight design, responsive cushioning, breathable synthetic material, and strong grip from the rubber outsole. Cons: cushioning may feel slightly firm for runners who prefer very soft shoes, and durability may be slightly lower compared to heavier training shoes. The FuelCell Rebel V4 is perfect for female runners, fitness enthusiasts, and athletes who want a lightweight and responsive shoe for daily runs, speed workouts, and gym training. Priced at $132.12, the FuelCell Rebel V4 offers excellent value for runners looking for a lightweight performance shoe with responsive cushioning and modern design. If you want a fast and comfortable running shoe, check the link in the description to learn more or grab yours today. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more gear reviews.